Hi everyone, my name is Polumi. I have a small business of my own and I specialize in branding and marketing. Now, this is my first video ever. And the reason that I'm starting this is because I realize that a lot of you out there are in that exact same position that I was in when I first started, which is basically overwhelmed. Like, I have branding and marketing experience, right? So for me, it should be easy to start a business from scratch and put everything in place, like my website, my brand positioning, my messaging, my email marketing and social media and everything. Turns out it's a much easier job if you have other people working with you in an organization, which I don't. So for me, it's just do everything yourself. And I know there are a lot of you out there who are also doing everything yourself. And I know, like all intelligent and informed people, you're looking at a lot of videos and reading a lot on the internet about how to do it, what to do. And there's so much stuff out there. There's so much information and everybody is helping you. Everybody is giving you tools and tips and everything to do. And then you consume all that information. And then if you're anything like me, you're like, okay, I know everything that I have to do. I know what to do. How do I do it? How do I get started? There's just so much. But don't worry, because I know what exactly you're feeling. I was in that place and I've been through the bumps and the ups and downs and the grinds. But what I plan to do is make it very, very simple for you. As a beginner, you can't do everything and you should not even try. It's not even required. So what are those essential things that you should know and you can do by yourself when you start your own business? What are the things you should be doing step by step by step? Considering that there is a lot of research out there that I have read and you have read and I have implemented. So we take all of that and then I share with you simple things that you can do right by yourself right now. So this is just an introductory video, but stay tuned and I will be posting a lot more very soon. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.